I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together,
Together,
we're
we're
Phil's
Phil's
to
to
Phoenix.
Phoenix. Two countries.
One heart.
Welcome
Welcome to
to
our
our
new
new Cebuano
Cebuano
course.
course.
Hey, we didn't do too bad on that one. We won't tell you it was like 3 takes, but okay, we did okay.
Good job.
All right, that a couple years ago, I showed an interest in trying to learn some of the Visayan language, and got told that it wasn't just Visayan, it was Cebuano. Okay, I didn't know that, and so that began an in-depth study for me. And Cebuano is a dialect of a Visayan language, one of the major language groups in the Philippines.
Yep.
And since the majority of Visayan speakers happen to be Cebuano, it's kind of been de facto named Cebuano instead of Visayan.
Yeah,
But the two are pretty much interchangeable.
correct.
And we ran across an older Peace Corps language course that it's a little bit dated, and some of it's not exactly the most current use, but it's completely understandable. It's more what your parents would speak than what's actually spoken today, but
Yeah,
it's still 100% understandable if that's what you learn.
correct.
And so we'd started going through that, and I'm doing not bad, not great, but getting there.
Yep.
And so to help with the progress on this, we talked about it, and we've kind of kicked around the idea for, gosh, about a year now,
Yeah.
of actually sitting down and doing a language course on the channel.
Yep.
And we decided to get off our butt, or off my butt, and actually start doing that. And this is going to be the first one in that course.
Yep.
Probably going to be the last time we do this type of introduction into that, but the course will evolve over time as we go through it, get more into it.
Correct.
Initially, what's going to happen is it's going to be a lot of vocabulary, a lot of phrases
Yeah.
that you're just learning pronunciation and learning,
Yeah.
memorizing phrases.
Yeah. It's also like just day by day uses of those phrases or words.
Yeah, they're really common words that are used every day.
Yeah.
And in the beginning, to maintain native speakers, I'll say the English,
Yeah. I'll say
Visayan.
the Visayan in 3 different ways.
The first way is going to be
Just slowly
to help identify each
each
word.
and then very slowly to trying to read like syllables or
So that
just
you can hear each individual
word.
syllable.
Yes, and then try and the third one is just speak it native, like a
Just,
native speaker.
normal conversation speaking. For example, one of the words in this is good morning.
Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag.
And just go through like that in most of these words, so that you get to hear it. And they're going to be 5-7 words, no more than 10
Yeah.
each video.
Yeah.
The first one I think is 7 words. I think
I think yeah.
it's just under 2 minus this part. It's just under 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Most of them are going to be under a 5-minute video.
Correct.
You're going to see the words on screen. When I'm speaking, obviously it's going to be the English, and then the Visayan will come on while she's saying it, and then it'll go off and we'll go to the next word.
Yep.
We're going to be going through it in the order that the course has the words, again, with the most common words in the very beginning,
Yeah.
to where you can build very simple phrases, where you can build very simple, basic conversations, where you would good morning, how you doing?
Yeah.
I'm fine. Those type of words.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm getting a phone call. Sorry about that. That I'm expecting a phone call from my son, and that wasn't him. But we're going to be going through the word order that the course gives it.
gives it. Yeah.
If there are words that you want to hear translated for some reason, keep them clean, keep them respectful. She's going to be doing the translation.
I'll be the final.
We'll be glad to include him in the lessons.
Yeah.
But you're the she's the final judge on whether or
Final
not it gets.
verdict.
And since I'm doing the videos, her judgment's final on that one.
I'm always right. Okay.
So.
Aside from I'm the wife.
But we hope you do enjoy and stay tuned.
Thank you.
And tune back in weekly for it. But in the meantime,
Salamat, mabuhay. Mabuhay. 1, 2, 3, go.
mabuhay. Good morning.
Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag.
Good morning to you.
Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag.
Good afternoon.
Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon.
Good afternoon to you too.
Maayong hapon sab. Maayong hapon sab. Maayong hapon sab.
Good evening.
Maayong gabii. Maayong gabii. Maayong gabii.
How are you?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka?
Fine, and you?
Maayo. Ikaw. Maayo. Ikaw. Maayo. Ikaw.
Where are you going?
Asa ka moadto? Asa ka moadto? Asa ka moadto?
Somewhere.
Diha lang. Diha lang. Diha lang.
Where did you come from?
Diin ka gikan. Diin ka gikan. Diin ka gikan.
There, at Shoemart.
Didto sa Shoemart. Didto sa Shoemart. Dito sa Shoemart.